The DJI Mavic Air remote controller is not working. The battery won't charge anymore, which means it's completely worn out and needs to be replaced. To replace the battery, we have to remove quite a few parts, so we'll start with these two screws. Throughout the video, we'll freeze the frame so you can clearly see the exact position of each screw. First, we remove the small plastic covers held in place by these two screws. Next, we take off this plastic part that's secured with clips. Be careful here, because the clips can break if you force them. After that, we disconnect these two connectors first, and then remove these 4 screws. Now we carefully lift off the top plastic cover. It's also held by clips, so once again, take your time and don't force anything. Next, we remove this connector, which is protected by a small metal plate held in place with 2 screws. Then there are 6 small screws left. Their positions are highlighted on the screen with circles. The last thing to disconnect is the battery connector itself, which we also remove carefully. Now we can take out the battery holder and remove the top plastic part, which is again secured with clips. The battery is additionally fixed in place with double-sided adhesive tape, so we gently use a screwdriver to help lift it out of the housing. We ordered the replacement battery online, and you'll find the link in the video description. Reassembly is done in the reverse order. Once everything is put back together, we connect the charger and check the LED. There's no red light anymore, which means the battery is charging properly. And finally, the battery is fully charged and the remote controller works just like before. All for about $10. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.